Hello, this is Teacher Kimmy. This is our lesson today. Farm animal 2. Horse, horse, horse. 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 What animal is it? It's a horse. It's a horse. What color is a horse? It's brown. It's brown. Do you like a horse? Yes, I do. I like a horse. Goat, goat, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. What animal is it? It's a goat. What animal do you see? I see a goat. What color is a goat? It's brown. It's brown. Goose, goose. What animal is it? It's a goose. It's a goose. What color is a goose? It's white. It's white. G-O-O-S-E, goose, goose. One goose, two geese. Có hai con ngỗng, mình sẽ nói là two geese, two geese. Sheep, sheep, sheep. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. What animal do you see? I see a sheep. I see a sheep. What color is a sheep? It's white. It's white. What animal do you like? I like a sheep. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.